I share my story because I want to inspire and motivate others. If there's something that I've learned through my journey and I can pass that on to you, that's why I'm here.
Your mission is your big why. Why do you do what you do? It's the reason that your business exists. So what makes you excited when you get up in the morning? Your brand actually starts when you stop to speak. When you're not there anymore, what are people saying?
Vous êtes différent parce que vous êtes unique, chacun de vous. La raison pour laquelle vous faites ce que vous faites aujourd'hui, c'est parce que vous le faites différemment aux autres. Il faut juste trouver ce que c'est ça. Une idée et une promesse de marque.
Do you want to play? We got another game. I think we need to play. How do you want to build a career where you grow and it becomes something that you can embrace? How do you get to build a workplace atmosphere that has a strong culture so everybody feels engaged and a sense of belonging? That's a big one, and we need your help because a culture and a workplace atmosphere gets created by you, not by me standing here. I get to facilitate and inspire and get you talking and sharing, but really it's you that get to create that atmosphere and online.
First impressions create lasting impressions. Really important for you to do it the right way the very first time.
What consumers want from marketers is simply simplicity. So if you want your customers to trust you and buy faster from you by 86%, simplify.
Marketing doesn't have to be complicated.
Yeah.
Why do we make it complicated?
I want you to think about your brand beyond your expertise, beyond your products, your services, and the commodities that you may offer to your clients. Because I can guarantee you that that's not what they're buying into. People connect to a brand promise. What is that lasting promise, that highest value that you offer? Meaningful connections, transformation, hope, peace of mind. Really think about the problem that you solve and the highest value that you offer to your clients, because that's what they're connecting to. And that's what I call your one idea. When you get to the heart of your one idea, you create more trust and you accelerate your results.